So you have decided to begin your fitness journey. Here are 6 tips from Brawny King that will make your journey easier. Tip number 1. Set realistic goals and expectations. The number one thing any person new to the world of fitness should know is that it takes time. Rome and all of those fit physics you see on magazines, Instagram weren't built in a day or week or month or year. It took years of effort to get there. Don't expect to build muscle in weeks, lose weight overnight. Your body doesn't work that way. You can't get excellent marks by studying one night before the exam. Just imagine if people could get fit in weeks. If it's that easy, then everyone you see around you would have been a fitness model. The sooner you realize this, the better. You won't get demotivated later on because you aren't making progress as fast as you expected. For a natural person, it may take 4 to 6 years to get close to your genetically best possible physique, and that too if you have excellent training program, diet and lifestyle. This brings me to my second tip, which is understand your genetics. Genetics is what can make or break your day. Genetics is why Eddie Hall, world's strongest man 2017, looked like this when he was just 14 years old. All he did was swimming back then. Here's how he looked like at the age of 16. He said he weighed 224 pounds in that picture. Genetics is why Louis Cyr was able to lift a full grown horse in his first strongman competition in Boston at the young age of 18. Remember your science lecture at school. Everyone has different genetics. Don't get demotivated to work out just because you don't look like your favorite fitness model. Set realistic and achievable goals that will make your life better. Fitness should revolve around your life rather than your life revolving around fitness. Genetics is also why everyone needs a different workout plan. The workout that works for your friend may not work for you. And that is the reason why you should go slow and understand yourself, which is my third tip. The quote, slow and steady wins the race, is absolutely true when it comes to fitness. First, optimize your lifestyle. Whether your goal is muscle building or fat loss or just anything, a healthy lifestyle should be your first priority. I have already uploaded a video on healthy lifestyle which you can find in the I button and in the description. When it comes to fat loss, if you have gained 100 pounds in 5 years, then don't expect to lose them in just 5 months. Go slow so that your body adapts to that weight and maintains it. Stay away from fast diets. Dieting is temporary. Follow only those things that you are sure you can follow even as you get old. Will you be able to live without salt and sugar for your entire life? Think about it. As a beginner, stick with bro splits. Bro splits means training each body part or muscle once a week. Now you will say that training each muscle 2 to 3 times per week is optimal. But the reason I suggest you to go for bro splits is that as a beginner, your muscles require more time to recover compared to an advanced athlete. On top of that, you might have a history of lifestyle problems. You may have the potential to train a muscle 3 times a week, but just because you don't get enough sleep and diet, your muscles aren't able to recover that fast. That's why follow the bro splits and see how your body reacts. If it's easy, then increase the frequency. If it's not, then check your lifestyle. Video up in the I button and description. Tip number 4. Learn proper form and technique. It's simple. Before you do anything, you should know how to do it. Not doing exercises correctly will cause injuries in the long run. Don't compromise your form for ego lifting just to show your friends that you are the modern Louis Cyr. If you have any posture problems, then fix those first. Do slow reps. Feel the muscles being worked. And don't ignore the eccentric part of exercise. In simple words, eccentric part is when you lower the weight or your body to the starting point. Don't just drop the weight relaxing the muscle. Start by taking 1 second to lift the weight and 3 seconds to lower the weight. Go slow. Push your limits. Try to get an extra rep when you feel like giving up. Tip number 5. Train all major muscles. If your goal is muscle building, then train all major muscles like legs, chest, back, shoulders, and core to build a proportionate aesthetic physique. Don't skip legs because people will tease you and because legs are your foundation. You use legs for majority of the time cause you stand on them all day long. But today people use their fingers more and end up with muscle atrophy. Train your back with the same intensity as your chest cause having poor back muscles will give you posture problems. However, there are certain muscles you can skip if you aren't planning to be a serious bodybuilder, like the forearms, traps, and other minor muscles. Avoid isolation exercises as a beginner. Don't follow bodybuilding style workouts if that's not your end goal. Focus on building the entire muscle rather than isolating it as upper, middle, lower, inner, outer. Build that strong foundation first. And now, the final and the most important point. Subscribe to Brawny Fitness. As a beginner, you need a genuine guide that will make sure you get the best possible results without wasting any time. On Brawny Fitness, you will find home workouts for beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels for all muscles, including the neck. Yes, you can train your neck too, and it has a lot of benefits. As a beginner, soreness will hit you hard, and that's why Brawny Fitness has got a static stretching for all muscles that will relieve soreness. If at any time you get demotivated, then there are motivational videos that will fire you up. Along with that, there is the inspirational and must know story of the strongman Kevin Fast. Watch it to get a bit more GK. If you have made it this far, then like and share this video with your friends. And comment below which video you want next. Subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon.